How to log in UBS Online Banking. First, you need to go search for login UBS e-banking and then click on the first website that pops up here, login UBS e-banking. It's going to take you to this page and it's going to ask you for the contract number. How can you receive this number? If we hover over the information here, you will be able to see that you can find your contract number in your Access app or in the activation PIN letter. So basically, all you need to do is download the Access app for UBS. There you will be able to find your contract number. Afterwards, you will type your contract number, and then it might ask you for additional validation using the app itself. There you will just give the QR code or the code generated back and put it on this website, the UBS website, and that is how you log into your online banking. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.